Exercise number 1, reverse lunge. Step one leg back, lower your body until both knees hit 90 degrees, then push through your front heel to stand tall. Keep your chest up and core tight. This move builds balance, glute strength, and stability. Exercise number 2, squat. Feet shoulder width apart, chest tall, and push your hips back as you lower down. Drive through your heels to rise up. Control every rep, this is your foundation for total leg strength. Exercise number 3, jump squat. Drop into a deep squat, then explode upward with power. Land softly and go straight into the next rep. This boosts explosiveness, burns calories, and hits your legs hard. Exercise number 4, standing calf raise. Raise your heels off the floor and squeeze your calves at the top, then lower slowly. Keep your body controlled and steady. Simple but incredibly effective for calf strength and definition. Exercise number 5, glute bridge. Finish strong with glute bridges. Lie on your back, feet flat, and lift your hips by pushing through your heels. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower with control. Perfect for glute activation and lower body power.